So hi guys, this is evening and I just want to get some printouts done which have some stickers kinda thing that I will require for my journaling. Just getting dressed for it, like simple face wash, and I will get some printouts done. I will also try to get some clay done कि मुझे clay लानी है. By that clay I have some inspos in my mind which are kind of be putting it here. Back, I'm back. मैंने कुछ printouts लिए. I just got some printouts. मैं तुम लोग को दिखाती हूँ मेरे printouts कैसे दिख रहे हैं और क्या मैंने printout में लिया है. So these are some cute Pinteresty printouts जो मैंने लिए हैं. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. इसमें बहुत सारे cute हैं. ये कुछ vintage themed months and some pop-up color, like something which is like gives life to my work. Purple shade, or not purple, it's lavender. I really know the colors. So yeah. Accordingly, for 2026 we have only left with 5 months, and I think because of that reason I only got that 5 to get those print out of that calendars for that only 5, because I know if I'll get a whole calendar printed out, so I will not use, sorry, I won't be using that for 2027. So for 27 I'll get another one, then we will get same theme printed out, but this time I got this. I got, okay, the story behind why these three are similar and these two are different is because I was not finding out कि same मिल ही नहीं रहा था. So because of that reason I choose this one for November and this one for December. Okay. And the last not the least is this page kind of theme जो use करते हैं. I really don't know मैं इसे कैसे use करने वाली हूँ, but I got it printed out because why not? I was liking it. So yeah, this is what I got printed out. So we will be trying to make some good journal for August only. And this is time for my beautiful journal that I got. And this is such a colorful journal जो बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Like इस पे लिखा है take the risk or lose the chance, and it's definitely very vibrant and very Pinteresty yet very girly. So yeah, इसके pages simple है. It's normal diary kinda. Okay, because the reason behind I choose this one was just because of the color and the thing it was written on it, because I really want to make it something which is Pinteresty yet motivational. That was the click for this. Are you going to watch it? Yeah, it's here. So let's search for Pinterest and then we'll go for something else. I think I should manifest my followers in this too. Like if I get 1000k, then I'm definitely buying a mic for the video. And for that 1000, I really need to work hard, and I'm really inconsistent with my work. Okay, this is my Pinterest feed. Wanna look? So my Pinterest feeds just have some fashion sense, some feminism kind of thoughts, and some remedies, stationery, some cute yet interesting lame memes. So yeah. So अभी मेरे को बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. So I'm searching on YouTube now. It's not think कि I didn't write any kind of diary yet, but it's like कि I really want to make it little more Pinteresty yet more girly yet college vibe. So let's figure it out. So I wrote this all the stuff. मेरी राइटिंग बहुत कचरा होती है क्योंकि मैं लिखना ही भूल चुकी हूँ. कैसे करती क्योंकि मैं काम ही नहीं कर लिखने का. But the point is I wrote all the things that I want to do, I need in my life before 2026, or kind of bucket list. And things I require, means the things that I want to make sure that it is in my journal, that it is in my month. So I also wrote that things that I want, and yeah, it's kind of cute. मैं इतना थक गया हूँ ना कि मैं बता नहीं सकती, बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी यू नो दिस कटिंग इज टेकिंग अ लॉट मोर टाइम. और मैंने तो फर्स्ट उसके लिए इतना कुछ ऐसे डिटेल्ड चुना भी नहीं है. लाइक आई डेंट इवन चूज दी वेरी डिटेल्ड वंस कि आई कैन गेट इट, बट इट्स वेरी टफ बिकॉज कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ ना मैं, खाली बैठी हूँ इसी वजह से. अब मुझे माथा वही है काम करने के लिए. सो हे गाइस, आप लोग को मेरी ज़ुबान कैसी लगी? दिस इज़ माई ज़ुबान. बहुत लड़कियों की होती है, होनी भी चाहिए, ज़रूरत पड़ती है. बच्चे को बिगाड़ रही हूँ मैं. मज़ा आ रहा है बहुत ही ज़्यादा वाला. जिंदगी अनुष्का से तब गलती से मत लिख देना, गंदा गाती हूँ मैं, बहुत ही बढ़िया गाती हूँ मैं सपनों में अपने. बोलो तो ये वाइट, पीछे वाला वाइट, सब वाइट है, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. या तो समझ आया. अगेन बैक. तो सारी काट दी है मैंने. और पता है क्या करा मैंने, एक का कि यहाँ से फाट गया था तो फिर मैंने इसको ऐसे रखा. तो आई वॉज लाइक कि मैं इसे लेयर कर दूँगी. सो इट्स रिटन लिटिल रिमाइंडर, योर इनफ, योर लव, यू मैटर्स. बड़ा क्यूट सा था. और इसका यहाँ पे ना ये ऐसे कुछ तो ही लगा था तो मैंने ये निकाल दिया. हाँ, ज़्यादा हो गए. एंड हट, इस पर मून बनाया विद क्लाउड्स. एंड आई रियली लाइक मून बिकॉज why not? I am a night owl. I used to be a night owl, but I really want to become not a day person, not a night person, a normal person. Getting my point of view, hopefully. But like, see, a butterfly. It's written, it's okay to take a break, which I'm taking. And yeah, it's a small calendar for August. It's August that I took, and let's think. Good vibes, which are required. Let's arrange them, and also we need to make sure that we write enough stuff in this. बस कुछ है ही नहीं, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करूँ. तो मैं किस पर छुआ पाई हूँ. इसको ये कहते हैं ना, क्या कहते हैं इसको, जो भी कहते हैं. मेरे भाई के सामान में था तो मैं उठा गई. सो आई थिंक ये विदाउट मेस इससे निकाल के हम लगा सकते हैं. तो वही करने वाले हैं. This way, this one and this one. It feels cute and yet वो मिस्टेक को हाइड भी कर रहा था. हम इससे कुछ लिख लेंगे. हम क्या लिखेंगे? Might be some manifestation which will work, I think. I actually stopped making the video because ना मैं कैमरे के सामने बहुत कॉन्शियस हो रही थी और मुझसे हो ही नहीं रहा था. मैं ख़राब कर रही थी चीज़ें. तो आई थॉट कि आई माइट मेक इट, देन आई शो यू कि मैंने क्या करा है. अभी कंप्लीट नहीं है बट स्टिल there are some glimpses of this. So I'm writing it here. कुछ तो मैं लिखने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I'm not seeing that some random quotes. I'm just trying to get into my mind and write whatever I feel. And here is a habit tracker. I saw some inspos. There were random inspos that was like make a random shape and you can write your dates in it and try to tick or try to take a track of that you did on this day, that particular habit. So I just do some random stuff in this. Here I have a gratitude journal. I have made 4 pointers, and these 4 pointers are the same thing, that they are the same shape but the different parts of same shape. It means there is something which is like coming to me. So yeah, it meant to me that some parts of the life are so different, but yet they're so meaningful, they're so puzzled to each other in a particular way, in a particular manner, they're making particular shape. That makes sense. So yeah, so that was a gratitude that I would be writing it. The next page is of a plan page, which have 5 planners type of thing, which is like a kind of weekly to do or something that I need to keep in mind, I need to keep a track of. So yeah, these are that thing, and I make it with a random stuff, so only that. This is my mind. Actually, I got very random thoughts, the thoughts that make sense after that I connect dot with them. So yeah, I already have this thing that I already have this very kind of stuff that I will repeats my thought again and again to make sure that that makes sense to me, and I get very random thoughts. Like the randomest thought in the world can exist is with me. So yeah, I already wrote it. Like my mind, your thoughts are not random, just write and connect the dots, and that's what it is. Still some picture putting and little more detailing is left, so we would be doing that. So guys, I think this is end of the video because I'm very low at my energy at this point, and I'm just having my chai, which is very good, and after that I'm probably sleeping and yeah, doing nothing. Might be doing some detailing of my journaling, as I told you, which is not done yet. We will complete it, and if you want to look the proper what I have done and what I'm gonna planning, so wait for the part 2, which will be tomorrow. I don't know when I will upload, but definitely shoot it tomorrow. Yeah, so उसके अंदर मैं तुम्हें पार्ट दिखाऊंगी कि कैसा दिख रहा है and all. So yeah, this is the part 1 of bringing my life back to the track. Bye bye.